Sasha. Hey.
Crazy girl. Sasha. Who's the crazy girl? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go crazy. You're crazy. She's showing off for you.
Hey, baby bobblehead.
Have you got any?
Yep.
Done. Yeah. We're gonna see my mom's family next weekend.
Oh, for Thanksgiving?
Mm-hmm.
We'll actually do dinner at our house and then go Friday.
Afterward.
Uncle's gonna work a 24-hour shift on Thanksgiving. Yeah.
Sasha.
He's
Hey.
got his own shift and then he's working for someone who wanted to be home with his kids.
Well, that's awesome.
Don't hit your hand.
They're gonna eat a whole big dinner there too, so it doesn't matter.
Oh, crazy girl. Crazy girl. Hey, should we show them how you can stand? Come here. Come here. Oh my goodness. Stand up. Ready? Hi, baby. Come to mommy. Oh, come to mommy. Come here. Uh-oh. Say hi. Say, I'm a big 1-year-old now. I'm a big 1-year-old. Say hi to Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Make weird noises. All right. Yeah, there you go. You're being too crazy to stand up.